Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. We're about 45 minutes from home, something like that. We've had a great time for the past 3 days or 4 days, or whatever. I can't keep up with it. And Grace is on board with us. Say hello.
Hi guys! I'm alive.
Yeah. Did you enjoy?
Yeah, we really had an enjoyable time together in spending our 15 years anniversary.
15 years, seemed like 15 days.
Yeah.
My God. That's unreal.
It's just too fast.
Yeah. That's where it is. I would have done more vlogs or Cavs if they was playing some background music, and I didn't want to blank it out and have the voiceover. It just don't seem right. The music was just loud enough to where my phone would pick it up, make it seem like it blasted. And I know I'd get copyrighted if I didn't do it. So here we are, the end of our journey, almost home.
We're almost home. Maybe
Yeah,
20 minutes.
Yeah.
So this is the port of Bulado over here. So that's the port of Bulado there. On the way to Cebu.
Thought I'd give everybody a little tour of some Philippine traffic on Negros. This is calm compared to what some places are.
There's a lots of sugarcane truck today.
Yeah, I wish
So we stuck up in the
I wish I took time out or thought about it and took a video of that.
yeah. There's a lot of sugarcane truck beside the road.
I say what, 3-4 kilometers
Yeah.
long, maybe longer.
Yeah.
That's probably in miles. That would be at least 2 good miles, maybe 3.
That'd be hard, huh? Because it's a long way.
Yeah. And no drivers more likely spend 1 or 2 nights waiting to get unloaded. That'd be a tough job to have. Here's one going that away. That's where
So
it's
this
going.
sugarcane truck, as you can see,
Yeah.
they be going maybe 2 hours from here
Yeah.
over another one.
Yeah.
Because
Then they might have to sit for 2 days.
there's a sugar, what you call with that?
Processing plant.
Processing plant
Yeah. And they end up with molasses, sugar.
that's located in Bais and Tanhay.
Yeah.
So it's about 2 hours from here. That's very difficult driving
Yeah.
the way there because you're fully loaded with sugarcane inside the truck
Yeah. Then they got to deal with waiting.
and deal with waiting. I think they have some schedule of going there.
Even that, with that many trucks, it's going to take 1 or 2 days to get unloaded, especially if you're in the back of the lane.
Yeah. So not so bad this area here.
Yeah, brooms.
Yeah. Lots of brooms.
Handmade brooms. All colorful, too.
It's been raining on the way here
Yeah, a little bit.
a little bit, but this area here, this place here, sunshine,
Yeah, we're almost at Bassac.
good weather, nice weather here.
I thought it'd rain all the way, but we just got a little bit of rain.
We got lucky. Every time we go to Dumaguete,
It normally rains.
yeah, it normally rains.
So we got very lucky this time. We got had a little shower this morning when I got up. A little sprinkle, but nothing major. Nothing to keep your
back there because
Yeah, they're talking about selling.
yeah, they're talking about selling that resort.
And what they're asking for, if that's true, it's not a bad price.
But hopefully not, because we don't really want that. Maybe if there's a new owner, they will change the room rates.
Yeah, they'll probably do some renovation. And
Yeah.
Probably the house that they've got there, they'll probably convert it to more rooms. I think they only got, what, 12?
I forgot to count how many rooms they got. I think the family rooms, they only got 1 to 4. I think 4 or 3 family rooms. But the superior rooms, 7. And they have also a dormitory.
Yeah, their rooms are nice.
Comfortable.
Yeah. The beds are
And
pretty
they have a mini fridge, small fridge.
Yeah. And of course, they got the hot pot. They give you free instant coffee.
Yeah, I like there because they have that hot pot for your coffee, ba?
Yeah.
Heat the water. No need to bring some pot for you.
In a lot of places we have to take our own pot.
And also the employees, the workers are very nice. They remember us.
Yeah. And
Some
we,
of- yeah.
we met some new friends.
Yeah, we meet some new friends there in Cavs, and they are very nice people.
Yeah. Very nice. The guy's mother is visiting. And,
Yeah, she's a nice lady.
yeah. She was pleased to meet someone that can speak English, especially Grace.
Yeah, I am enjoying her company. I mean, talking to her, I am enjoying. I love to meet new people.
She's surprised at how well Grace's English was. I think her son and daughter-in-law, 2 kids, will come visit us maybe next week.
Hopefully. Motor. Oh, this motor here, driver is not looking.
Yeah, didn't even look, just popped right up out.
That's-
Look at this.
Very dangerous. Just can't believe it. He just pop up and not even look. There's vehicle behind him.
Don't you love when they park on both sides of the road? Choke the traffic down to one lane.
Yeah. Price gas.
We're a little van that's performed well.
I was worried about that because that strange sounds that
Yeah.
I've heard,
Yeah.
but I'm glad that it's okay.
No longer have the brake noise. I like that.
Yeah.
But I think I've got the front struts where we hit that speed bump that time.
Yeah.
I think I damaged it.
That's what you, maybe that's the problem.
Yeah.
When you hit that speed
Well,
bump.
Yeah, when we went for the chicks.
Yeah. There's a new restaurant on this side here that we really love to visit to.
Yeah, we stopped there once.
It's a seafoods restaurant. And it's an affordable price.
Yeah.
It's not really
And the food was
expensive.
good too.
Yeah, the food is good, and also when you ordered some grilled chicken, it's already have rice in it.
I can't have the rice anymore.
Rice and drinks. So it's not really bad for 140 pesos.
Yeah. They're roughly $2.50.
Yeah. It's included rice and drinks. Some of the places now in San Carlos, they changed the price.
Yeah.
Supposedly the chicken have rice, but they take out the rice and drinks.
Yeah.
Make more money. Well, the price of the pork and chickens are getting expensive.
That's good for us in a way. That we can. We're going to start incubating eggs. Might start today.
Yeah, we're gonna start incubating some eggs again. Hopefully, we have more luck this time. And we're gonna vaccinate. We're gonna vaccinate them because the last batch that we did, we tried not to vaccinate. What happens?
Yeah, they just start dropping dead.
So
Time we got a little over 2 months old.
so it's better to have a vaccination because
8 to 10 weeks.
yeah, because it be more. They can fight the virus if they are vaccinated. They can fight on their illness because their immune system is more like stronger, right?
Yeah, because when they're inbred, there's no way around it. You know,
So we also do a mix. Was that be mixed breed or?
yeah, we're doing some mixed breeds too.
Yeah, mixed breed. We tried the native roaster and the Rhode Island Red. We not do the purebred
Yeah.
because I think native chicken, they are more stronger.
They got a better immune system.
Yeah, they are. Yeah. So that's what we're doing.
And also, you're changing the gene pool too. That'll help.
Yeah. Because it seems like they are more active because we already have some chicks that it's mixed with the native roaster and Rhode Island Red, and they are very active, the
Yeah.
chicks, compared to the Rhode Island Red, that pure.
Yeah, but the hen is native. This way we're doing the reverse.
The reverse, it's a roaster and
Yeah.
native roaster and
Heritage hens.
heritage hens. So we will see what happens if we have some luck. So we never give up on our chickens. We still we still continue it even though we lost a lot.
Yeah, well, it's a learning experience.
Yeah, we need to learn more.
Slowly we're seeing what works. We've had good luck at selling some of them. We thinned it down.
Yeah, there's a lot of customers been telling me that it's really good. The chickens are really good. It's like a native chicken. It's not like
They got more meat on them.
yeah, the one in the market.
Yeah,
They prepare the one we've got.
that's because theirs is not full of hormones or stuff like
And
that.
it's much more like organic because we feed some spinach on it and healthy foods.
Yeah.
We also feed some fruits like watermelon.
Yeah.
They love the watermelon. Maybe because it's sweet, right? And it's like cold.
Yeah, yeah.
Because when I give to them, it's take out it from the fridge.
Yeah.
And it's still cold.
And it's good for them too.
Yeah. When we give that spinach, we put some feeds on it, some chicken feeds, and also some molasses to have more flavor.
Yeah. They get a good line of food. So if I thin them down, I've noticed that they put on more weight.
Yeah, they're more fatter.
Yeah. So we're just going to start doing the incubations probably every 2 to 3 months, so we can
So we
get them
have
big enough to sell off and
Yeah.
before we
And
start getting
also-
fresh again.
so that it's not so overcrowded in the coop.
Yeah.
You have more space to
Also,
walk around.
it keeps our expenses down that way too.
Yeah. Cut down our expenses for the feeds.
Yeah.
So
vitamins.
yeah.
Might be able to do this.
Yeah.
Just one of them, right? Yeah, here we go, folks.
Finally, you can overtake that.
I know you couldn't see in the back of that truck, but they're hauling. Looked like propane or could be acetylene. I know you couldn't see the tanks, but there's no safety cap on them.
So guys, we don't have any luck to find a Starlink there in Dumaguete.
Yeah.
There is no available Starlink there. We've been looking yesterday and we have no luck.
Yeah.
But we still need to wait. Maybe soon this month, in the end of this month, maybe it's available, so we're gonna get it.
Yeah.
Because we are very tired of our internet right now because it's very slow.
An awful lot today.
And we lost some of our customers in the piece of Wi-Fi.
I checked on it today several times, and my cameras were offline because of no internet.
Yeah. It's just so sad that our other internet,
Yeah.
that it's not no longer
Yeah, I think yeah.
available. I mean, it's stopped. It just stopped.
Yeah. For no reason. The signal just went away.
So we waste 10,000 pesos for that. But hopefully we can use it in the future.
Yeah, I'm saving it because
We're still saving the router, the device, right?
Yeah.
The router.
I'm pretty sure it's still good. I should have brought it with me just to make sure, but I didn't think about it. Maybe one day I'll take it out and check it, but I'm sure it's still good. I blame the router, and it's not the router.
Maybe it's our antenna.
It's not the antenna. I took it apart and checked it.
Really?
Yeah. They done something to the signal.
Maybe the smart in the tower
Yeah.
were connected.
Yeah.
Maybe it shut down.
Probably. And I can't hit the tower that we get a small amount of signal on the phone.
So
We pointed in every direction that you possibly point.
so hopefully if we can get that Starlink, it will works good in our place.
The worst case scenario, I have to get a longer cable and put it somewhere else. It will work. We might have to relocate it, but it will work. What it is, we got one big tree that might give it a problem. And there's no way we can get it cut.
No, I don't. I want to keep that tree because it's there for a long time
Yeah, it's probably 500 years
and it
old.
protects us, baby.
Well, it's getting to a point. It might not protect us. The branches can fall.
But that'd be sad because it'd be there for a long time ago.
Those big branches that hang over.
We just trim it. It's okay. We can trim it.
I'd like to get those branches cut back to where it can fall on our carport in the house. Well, guys, I know Grace's arms are getting tired because I don't have a tripod. So we're going to give her a break. Thank you so much if you hung in this long. And we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.
Thank you so much for the love and support and for subscribing our YouTube channel. Thank
See
you.
you on the next one.
See you in the next one.